All right, everyone, we are back and we're going to take a look at Moultrie Creek. A couple of you were asking for us to go out and fly this area. So, lo and behold, we did. There is some construction out here, so I didn't even realize this area was out here because it's kind of hidden back behind Middleton. You'll be able to see in a minute here, but the area is close to the Village Charter School, right on the other side of the golf course and the little pond area that they have. And actually, this is it right here. You're looking at it. I believe there's 35 home sites. They're calling it a boutique designer neighborhood. Houses right around $500,000. There's a couple that are about $100,000 less. But you're going to get quite a few amenities close by because you have the championship golf course, which is the Shallow Creek Championship Golf Course that you can see here. And that golf course, it's 18 holes, 3 par 3s, 2 par 5s, and there's a south and a north 9-hole course, which borders the area here, and you have the choice of designer homes with views of the golf course or the opposite side. And then you also have right here in the middle, Boosters Sports Bar and Grill. Obviously, this place is a sports bar, so you're talking about going to hang out after a round of golf or maybe checking it out after work. You also have the Moultrie Creek Recreation Center, which is right off of Bar Boulevard. It's a regular rec center, just like all the other ones in the little neighborhoods that they have. You're going to have cornhole, shuffleboard, pickleball, and a residential pool in the area. You can see the golf course here is well underway, and I would give this a couple months, maybe a month even, the way it looks, for them to get it fully seeded, watered down, and growing nicely to where it actually looks like a regular Villages course, because a lot of these courses take a little bit of time. And this whole area is under development. Now, this is the southernmost part of the Eastport area. So it's just to the east of Middleton, basically, the charter school and all those places, and pretty much directly south from Eastport Town Center, or whatever they're going to call the Eastport area. If you're looking at different areas to go to recreation, you also have quick access to Seleucus, I think Recreation is how you're going to say it, and Shady Brook Recreation. Seleucus is actually going to have an indoor game room, like what looks like an arcade. So that's kind of neat. Now, this area is not too far from the future medical and professional area with the shopping and dining. That area is just south of the turnpike, east of the Bexley Bridge, and still under construction. It's not even started yet. I don't even think there's an outline over there of it, but that is where that's going. And you can kind of see the expansive Eastport area here, looking kind of northeast. As you can see, there's still so much to be done in this area. It's not even close to being built up. And I'm really interested to see when they're actually going to build that medical facility they've been talking about, because I know this southern area is lacking big time. I think the closest medical facility would be the Leesburg area from here, and it's probably a 30-minute drive. I know there's some places off the turnpike to the south over by Claremont, but in this general area, not much going on in terms of medical. It's supposed to be one of the biggest hospitals in the area. They're trying to draw in some of the best talent, so that will be interesting. This is all the northern area here, headed toward St. Catherine, north of the turnpike. They haven't really been working on this. Well, I take that back. You can see they have been working on this area because you can see the roads and the outlines to the houses and the plots of land that they have laid out. This area is going to be just another massive area. I believe they said that south of 44 is going to be equal or bigger than north of 44, which in terms of housing, and I believe it. They just don't have as much retail or amenities like in terms of golf courses currently. And the access right now is kind of limited because the multimodal with the Bexley Bridge not being completely open to golf carts yet is a little bit hindering, but a little bit of a hindrance. But that'll change. Now this is to the west. You can see Middleton in the background there just before the sun set. And this is the other view from Moultrie Creek. I should say the other side. So you can see how the charter school is on that side. This is going to be a nice area. I think it's going to be one of the nicer areas that you can live in when it's all built out. It's just right now there's not a whole lot down here this far, except for Middleton, which is the family area. And honestly, that's just the schools right now. Middleton's not even close to being done, in my opinion, because there's no retail. I don't think there's a restaurant in this area. The closest thing would be the Publix Plaza up by Marsh Bend. And there's a few restaurants there, which are decent, but not a lot in this area specifically. There's also no connectivity down here right now other than vehicle. So like motor vehicle, not golf cart. So that's another thing that you should be on the lookout for. Definitely come check these areas out if you're coming down for a lifestyle visit or whatnot. Check them out. I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.